पणजेच्या तालिगाव कम्युनिटी हॉलात थायलंड शॉपिंग फेस्टिवल आणि फर्निचर फेराचे 4 दिवसांचे प्रदर्शन घडून आणला। घरच्या सजावटीच्या विविध वस्तूंचे प्रदर्शन आणि विक्री चालू असा। लोकांचो ताका उपाट प्रतिसाद लाभला। पळयात।
We have come up with a very beautiful exhibition at Talegaon Community Center known as Furniture Fair and Thailand Shopping Festival. At Furniture Fair we have stalls having furniture, ethnic furniture, contemporary furniture, outdoor furniture, shisham wood furniture, wooden furniture, beds, full cushion sofas, etc, etc, etc. From Thailand we have many stalls coming over with their products like herbal spa products, herbal balms, wooden accessories, women's accessories, children's novelty items, Bangladesh saris, Afghanistan dry fruits, and much more to explore. Do come to the venue, do come to Talegaon Community Center. This is from 1st to 4th of September, morning 10 to evening 8:30 p.m.
Hello, yes, this is another company from Thailand, Jewelry Thailand. This one is new design. Yeah, welcome to Thai exhibition in Goa. Hi.
And we have a stall from Afghanistan and dry fruits are all are from Afghanistan. Especially we have mamras, 4 types of mamra, which is called Shahi mamra, white mamra, sweet mamra, and the premium quality walnuts. We have berries which are homegrown product, pure organic, no added color, no added sugar. We have dates out there and many more other items are there. Please visit our stall. Address is Talegaon, Goa. Timing is 10 o'clock up to 8:30 p.m. Thank you.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीज, समृता खणगावकार आणि निखिल जल्मी।